I'm going to ask you that question one more time because I forgot to record it. So how would you describe daytime?
Bright and playful and yeah, that's all.
Why do you think that it's bright?
Because the sun is out most of the time.
Yeah. How would you describe nighttime?
Kind of not dull, but like, what's the word? I don't know. Kind of dull, dark.
Okay.
But
Great. What do you think are differences between day and night?
well, in the daytime, then like, what do you mean? Like what you're doing in the day and what you're doing at night?
Mostly about like what the world is like at day and nighttime.
Okay, well, at daytime, then the sun is out, and at nighttime, then the moon and the stars are out, and and in the nighttime, then it's a little bit darker, but you can see all the stars, and in the daytime, then it's just the sun out.
Yeah, that's great. Do you notice any changes in the moon or anything, like throughout time?
Yeah, like it's, like sometimes it's a full moon or a half moon or like those things.
And do you know what makes that difference?
No. Well, I think it's the world going around, but I'm not quite sure.
Exactly. You know exactly right. Good job.
Okay.
So what do you think happens to the sun when it's nighttime?
Well, I think my teacher said last year that the sun, like, and the moon kind of like like it's turning, like the world is turning, and so they kind of switch places, kind of, for the earth. Like, they don't actually switch places. It's just to us, it kind of switch places.
Exactly.
Because,
yeah, that's explained really well, because, like, they switch places because, like, the earth is, like, rotating.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, let's see. What do you think happens to the stars during the daytime?
Don't tell me. I don't know. Maybe it like rotates with the moon, kind of like it's kind of in the same spot as the moon, and so when we rotate, then you don't see it because you don't see the moon.
Yeah, that's a really good idea. I love that. That's really good observation. Okay, so those are all the questions about day and night. So we're going to go on to seasons. Okay? But your answers were fantastic for day and night. So for seasons, how would you describe summer?
For summer, I would describe very light, like just lighter colors, kind of. And lots of things like that you see. I don't know. That's more in springtime.
Yeah.
Just like a lot of green, and because of the trees, and a lot of like pink and those kinds of colors because of the flowers.
Okay, great. And how would you describe winter?
As very white.
Yeah.
And cold. And frosty. And, well, it's not all the time moist, but sometimes. And, yeah.
Great. What are some differences between summer and winter? Can you think of any more?
That, winter has, like, well, it's not necessarily warm, but, winter you get snow because it's colder, and in summer, then sometimes you just get rain because it's kind of hot outside. And in winter, then, I know this is a true fact, in winter, then the moon is more
That's a really good observation. I don't think I've even noticed that, but I think it's true. So that's awesome. Okay, this is the last question. Why do you think it's hot in summer and cold in the winter?
Because the maybe it's also because the Earth rotates and it goes by the sun, and then, well, I don't really know, and then it gets farther away from the sun until it gets colder.
That's exactly right. That's great.
Like closer and farther.
And why do you think that, did somebody teach you that before? That the sun is further away in the winter?
I might have heard it once,
Uh-huh.
but I don't think we've gotten to that in science.
Okay. So you're not going to